Implicit bias refers to unconscious attitudes or stereotypes that influence our actions and decisions. Unlike explicit biases, which are deliberate, implicit biases operate without our conscious awareness. Implicit biases form through repeated exposure to associations between groups and characteristics. Media portrayals, cultural norms, and personal experiences shape these unconscious attitudes over time. Explicit bias. Explicit biases are conscious beliefs we openly express, like political preferences. Implicit biases, however, are unconscious and can contradict our declared values, such as advocating for equality but associating leadership with men. Implicit biases affect employment, education, healthcare, and law enforcement. They can influence hiring decisions, teacher expectations, medical treatment, and policing practices, often leading to systemic inequalities. The Implicit Association Test, or IAT, measures implicit biases by assessing the strength of associations between concepts and stereotypes. Developed by psychologists, it reveals unconscious preferences. Addressing implicit bias starts with awareness and education. Reflecting on personal attitudes, increasing exposure to diverse groups, and implementing institutional changes can help mitigate these unconscious influences.